Hi, what's your name?
Alexandra.
Very nice. Where are you from?
Peru.
Peru. And how many languages do you know, Alexandra?
Spanish and English.
English.
A little bit French, but very basic.
Oh, very
Yes.
basic. So how exactly did you learn English?
Well, I started in high school.
Uh-huh.
I remember my mom encouraged me to learn another language.
Yes.
Especially English, because all the time I listen about it's important to know about other language to work, or maybe if you want to study abroad.
Yes.
Yes.
Very nice. So when she encouraged you, what did you do to learn? Did you watch videos? Did you read stuff? What was it?
Yes, I started with listening to music, and especially my favorite bands.
Oh, nice.
Yes, and I started write the lyrics in my notebook.
Wow.
And then watch movies
Yes.
or series.
Yes, that's so inspirational. So when you used to write the words of the lyrics, would you make an effort to look up the meaning in the dictionary?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
For me, it's very important to know the sense of the meaning of the song.
Yes,
with the
definitely.
purpose.
Yes.
And then that information helped me to understand better.
Nice. So what advice could you give to someone who's looking to learn English?
Oh, first of all, focus on your objective. In my case, my objective in that time was to sing.
Yes.
Yes, the correct words and my feeling with the band.
Yes.
But then when I started in a university, my objective, my goal was to study abroad.
Yes.
And then prepare. I remember I started to receive classes
Yes.
in English academic.
Yes.
And that helped me a lot to learn grammar.
Oh, very nice.
For me, helps to take a structure for learn another language.
Yes, for sure, because you got to compare the grammar rules to yours.
Yes.
And so tell me, Alexandra, did you ever take the IELTS exam or did you have to?
No. I took a Duolingo exam.
Okay, Duolingo,
Because
yes.
in COVID, that was a one way to take for international students.
Oh, very
Yes,
nice. Okay, thank you so much. Last question, Alexandra. What advice could you give to somebody who's looking to take any English proficiency exam like Duolingo, IELTS, CELPIP?
Oh, prepare a lot, especially each exam is different.
Yes.
In the beginning, I started to prepare to IELTS.
Yes.
And then I have to switch
Yes.
for Duolingo, and it's different.
Yes.
I have to watch some videos on YouTube. I have to write, prepare like an essay, forms.
Yeah.
I think is learn about how is that dynamic of each exam,
Yes.
and then prepare the listening and
Yeah.
reading
Yeah.
for yourself.
Yes.
But I think it's very practice a lot.
Yes, practice. So how did you become such a good speaker? What advice could you?
Oh, in my case, I remember I'm a little shy person.
Yeah.
But for me, was very helpful and practice in the mirror, from the mirror, and
Yeah.
talking any topic.
Yeah, good
Any
advice.
topic,
Yes.
Or maybe I remember walking in the street.
Yes.
And I don't know, and describe the environment.
Yes.
For example. Yes.
Oh, that's a good way. So you would walk around and describe the environment in your head.
Yeah.
Very nice. So you found ways to practice English daily, which is so important in improving. You will not see any improvement if you don't practice daily, which is great.
Yes.
I just wanted to thank you so much for your time, Alexandra. I
Anytime.
wish you
Welcome.
the best of luck. Thank you.